guys, Cindy here, and in this video we're going to do a classic Rosie the Riveter look. So let's jump right in. Now I'm not too good with talking while doing my makeup, so I'm sure I'm going to let commentator Cindy jump right in now. Hi guys, commentator Cindy here, and today we're going to do my Rosie the Riveter makeup and hair look. In this first clip, you saw me applying moisturizer, a blur primer, and an e.l.f. primer to my face. Next, I apply eyeshadow primer. You don't see it on camera, but every time I use my hand to apply product, I wash my hands. Every time I use a brush to apply product, I wipe off the brush on the towel. This reduces the risk of product and color contamination. Eyeliner. Now I am not good at applying eyeliner, but luckily today we're only applying a little eyeliner along the top lashes. No wing dyes today. I'm not pressing on my temples, but kind of just holding my head steady so that I can get the line straight. You don't want to cause any tension, which could cause wrinkles or something on your face. A good primer will help you get that line on smoothly. You can also wipe a mistake away quicker because of the primer. Concealer. I apply concealer to the middle areas of my face I want to bring forward, smooth out, and highlight. Next, I smooth out my concealer with a dampened sponge wedge. Applying eyeshadow. Now this is just a process of blending a palette, usually a shade of 3, on my eyelids until it looks good. I normally put the lighter or more shimmery color towards my tear ducts, the brighter color in the middle, and then I'll corner it with a darker color along the, outer portion lid of my eyes. I like to apply the brighter color to the outer portion of the lower lashes to make my eyes appear more even. I could not see in the mirror, so I'm going to have to reconfigure my makeup filming setup. Here I am applying the darker color to the top or outer eye edges. I normally try to pick a color that matches the brighter color, not just black. More smoothing and blending. I like to apply a copper color that matches my eyeshadow color in the space below my eyebrows. I like to apply a matte highlight in this area below the eyebrows. More eyeliner to darken the line. Oops. I'm not wearing false eyelashes, so I'm going to apply heavy mascara. Now this little brush right here separates my eyelashes after I applied the mascara so they don't all clump together. Because my eyelashes are curly, my bottom eyelashes leave mascara on my face, so I like to use the sponge wedge to kind of brush that away. Next is contouring. Gotta chisel in those cheeks and highlight those dimples. We also use contouring to minimize the forehead and recede the small shadow areas on the face. Apply blush here, right below the apples of the cheeks. Applying foundation. I like to apply foundation between the contouring and the blush and around the lips and around the nose area. Basically the bare areas that I didn't do much to. If I want the color on my face to really pop, I apply the foundation first, then put the blush, contouring, and highlight on top of the foundation. But for this Rosie the Riveter makeup look, we're toning everything down to a classic workplace laborer look, just a little bit more feminine. Lipstick. Find your favorite shade and apply it. I tried to match the same shade and color as my eyeshadow. You didn't get to see me apply bronzer because my camera batteries died, but I typically apply my bronzer to the top outside portion of my eyebrows, on top above my contouring on my cheeks, and between my eyebrows, on the tip of my nose, and on my top lip, in the middle. I'm sure you see it blinging as I turn my face. You also didn't get to see me apply my tinted finishing powder, which I like to put on top of any place I applied foundation to set it. This gives my face a more three-dimensional look. Apply setting spray and the makeup portion is done. Now on to my hair. For my hair, I really don't want to disturb the curls as I unroll the flexi rods. I'm just going to play around with placement and secure my hair with bobby pins into an updo. This part, the bangs, took a bit of practice. When you're done, put on your Rosie the Riveter bandana. Yay! I made this bandana. Go beginner! I might do some more sewing in the future. I don't know. We'll see. Use bobby pins to secure your bandana. You know what? Just buy a ton of bobby pins. You're going to need them doing these vintage hairstyles. Make sure everything is placed just so. And we're done. And there you go, my finished Rosie the Riveter makeup and hair look. And now I'm at the Working Women's Show supporting the local union hall. And look, there's my Rosie the Riveter friends. We can do it. Me receiving my Decade Dames pin as the president of the O'Fallon, Missouri chapter. Aw, love these ladies. Thank you for tuning in to my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future videos. Talk to you later, guys. Bye!